So you're doing a PowerPoint presentation and you want to play a YouTube video, and why not play it right in your presentation? Now, just a word of warning, this doesn't work on the Mac version of PowerPoint, even in the new version 2016. But here I am in Windows 2013 and it works on other versions in the same way. So what I've got here is a PowerPoint. I'm going to find something from YouTube, put it in here. You can get it from other sources as well, but I have found that it doesn't seem to like it from Vimeo. So I'm just going to put in a new slide. There's two ways I can do it. So I can go new slide, and I'm going to choose one with title and content. And over here, you'll see that there is an insert video option here. And when I click on that, it brings up a dialog box that allows me to put in, when it does eventually, show from a file, from YouTube, or from some other embedded video code. So we're going to do it from YouTube. So what I could do is just search for something on YouTube. I'm going to just type in Jargon Free Help, which is my channel, press enter, and it's going to come up with a whole load of them. So why not choose this one here? Why use Lightroom? I'm going to click on that. Now I'm just going to click on Insert. It's going to pop it in here in a minute. There we go. There's my video. I can resize it by grabbing one of these handles on the side and changing the size of it. When it's playing, which we'll see in a moment, you can also make it full screen. You'll notice at the top here, you can't rotate it. That's fine. I don't want to do that. On the ribbon, it's gone into my video tools and it's got my format and playback. Importantly, it is the playback that I want to look at here. How do I want to start my video? And it's just here. I can just click on this drop down box, choose to start automatically, which is kind of does, but you'll see what happens, or you can click. You can hide while not playing, so if it's not playing it doesn't appear, and you can rewind after playing so that it starts ready to go all over again. I can just check it by clicking on play, and when I do, it will eventually load it up. Now this will depend on the speed of your connection, and word of warning, when you're doing a presentation, just make sure you have tested your connection. So let me just click on that again. My play option doesn't seem to want to do it. Maybe that's the speed of my connection. Okay, let's see what happens if I actually run my PowerPoint. So let's go into my slideshow. There it is. Now it has started automatically in the sense that the YouTube play button is right here. So if you click on that, it will now start playing, and you can see there's my video and it's got all the usual controls, and I could make it full screen, although that was pretty big. And then I just have to kind of start it again. Okay, so that's my presentation. You can see there how it works, and that can be quite neat to put that into a presentation. Okay, so the other ways that you can actually do this, I'm just going to put in another slide here. So let's go back to home. Let's go to new slide. It doesn't matter if it's got the content one on this one, because what I'm going to do is on the ribbon, I'm going to choose the insert tab, and across here on video, I'm going to choose online video. There's the video that's on my PC. So that's a file that I already have. I'm going to choose online video, and you'll see the dialog box here is the same, except for the fact that it doesn't have the choose the file that's on your PC at the top here. So I've got YouTube. So I do actually have YouTube open. I'm just going to go to YouTube here. So I'm just flicking over to it. And here it is. What I'm going to do is where it says share just here, I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to get this share code. I'm just going to right click it, copy. You can copy it in another way if you like. Back to PowerPoint. Let's paste it in here, and I'm just going to click on my little search button, and here it is. It comes up. Again, I just select it, choose insert, and it pops it in, and once again I can change the size of it and so on. And again, I just need to go into my playback, choose start, say on click, and let's just see what happens on this one. So you can see it's pretty much doing the same thing in that I've got to click the YouTube to actually start playing it. So let's just press escape to come out of that. So once again, I've put that in, and that's a nice, easy way to do it. Let's do one more, because I'm going to show you how you can do it with the embed code. Although I'm going to take the embed code from YouTube, you can take it from other places. So let me just go back here. Let's put in a new slide. Let's choose a blank one this time. Go to Insert, go to Video, Online Video. And this time I'm going to paste an embed code here. So if you're not familiar with those embed codes, here I am back on YouTube. There's an option here for embed. If I was using something like Vimeo or something else, there's often a place where there's an embed code, and it looks like this with like an iframe. It's giving you the size, the width, and the height. Again, just copy it. I'm going to right click to copy it. Go back here, paste it in. Choose paste and click on that little arrow and it pops it in. Now, when I did it the other way, I was getting a bit of a preview, but on this one, it's just coming up looking blank. Let me just hit slideshow and there you go, pops up again. So there is my video. Right, so it does crop it a little bit because it's going full screen and I'm not recording this on full screen, but nevertheless, you can see what has happened. So that's how you can embed your YouTube into a PowerPoint. And as I said, it doesn't work on any of the Mac PowerPoint versions, just on Windows. So there you have it. So you can easily do that. You might find that there are some other video serving providers, such as Vimeo, although I tried it and it didn't seem to work. There may be others. It could be the settings on the Vimeo ones that I chose. But you just have to choose the embed code. But YouTube is a popular place to have it, and far more convenient to have it on the screen in your YouTube, in your PowerPoint, rather than having to flick backwards and forwards all the time in your presentation. So that's how you can add YouTube and other online video into your PowerPoint presentation.